every Monday, Wednesdays on SLBC na Mercury Hour. And inside Mercury Hour, we can definitely come and discuss the general operations of Mercury International. We can take department by department and see that's how we analyze the responsibilities. So if we did Ubayanda, we know exactly what we up to. We're today not an exemption, today being the 21st day of July 2025. We definitely bring you the very first edition inside the nation's broadcaster way na SLBC. Well, inside today's young program, we will definitely take you with speed with the very first results we don't come out already, and so we will bring you the discussion about the Lotto products them way with the offer. You know, say the Lotto not just a single sum, but when it comes to the things they will offer, it's absolutely pregnant. So we look at them particular catchy areas then this morning. Definitely make them very much easy for you. And don't forget to say the season back they very much close to the corner for start, so which means you can enjoy all you elite leagues them again courtesy of Mercury International. Now the online, of course, we get to promotion where they go on presently where now the festival promotion. We say if you get for win from that particular one day, you will get a fully paid up trip to Kenya, and of course you go lodge in a 5-star hotel, and all your in-house transportation will be covered by Mercury International.